So you're new to reef aquariums and you're thinking about jumping in and starting your very own reef tank. And there's so much information out there, you just don't know where to begin. Well, in this video, I share 3 big ideas or ways that you can have success before you ever get started. Hi there, my name is Joey and welcome to the Coral Reef Talk, where it is my goal to help you become a successful reef hobbyist by breaking down the reef aquarium hobby and making it more relatable. So if you want to set yourself up for success before you even start a reef aquarium, you have to start with a goal. You want to start with the end in mind. Do you want to have a fish-only aquarium? Do you want to have a coral reef tank where you grow coral? Do you want to have a mixed reef, an SPS dominated reef tank, an LPS dominated reef tank? What does any of that mean? Well, start with a goal. Now, it's likely that you've seen someone's aquarium either online, on YouTube, in a blog post, or even in person at your local aquarium, and you thought to yourself, hey, I can do that, or I would like to do that. And you want to start with a goal because you want to know what you're trying to achieve. And then the next thing is how to get there. You want to set up a plan. Now, having a plan is pretty straightforward. You want to jump in and learn everything that you can to help you achieve your goal. So that includes hours of research and time online, looking at topics centered around your goal. So whatever your goal is, whatever you're looking to achieve in the reef aquarium hobby, have a plan that helps you reach your goal. The third thing is to have a budget. If you zero in on your goal and you develop a plan, you can focus on saving your money and creating a budget. Now, I get asked all the time, isn't having a reef aquarium very expensive? Well, that depends on your goal, your plan, and your budget. Now, there are plenty of ways to start in this hobby, and it doesn't always have to be with the latest and greatest. My very first reef tank, or aquarium for that matter, was a 29-gallon tank that I bought off of Craigslist. What's great about this hobby is that you can continue to learn as you go. I mean, it's a journey, a marathon, and not a sprint. Now, my second aquarium was a 75-gallon tank that I also got used, and I learned a lot from the 29-gallon tank, and I applied that to my upgrade with the 75-gallon, and that's when I really started to achieve success with corals. So if you want to jumpstart your way to success before you even start a reef aquarium, then have a goal, make a plan, and create a budget. Now, if you like this video and you'd like to learn more, there's 2 videos right here. Check them out, and please consider hitting that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time on the Coral Reef Talk.